In this video we are going to learn how to make Katori cut blouse. For the Katori cut blouse there is a 3 part for the front, that is, one is Katori piece main, second one is armhole piece, third one is waist belt part. By joining this we are going to make the Katori cut blouse. How to cut and stitch we are going to learn all the methods. Now we have done the drafting pattern on the paper and already cutted the pieces for the back part, short sleeve, front Katori piece, armhole piece and the waistband. Now place the paper pattern on the fabric blouse piece. This is the fold of the blouse piece and this is on the wrong side. We are going to mark the paper pattern, the shape. Here it is back part on the fold, sleeves, belt piece. Belt piece we need 4 layers of the fabric, so 2 pieces we have already marked here. One is armhole and this is the Katori part that we are going to place in a true bias direction. Now place the paper pattern, mark outline with the chalk and cut the pieces, all the parts of the blouse piece. Now all the cutting parts are ready to stitch. Here Katori pieces, 2 Katori pieces for front, 2 armhole pieces, 4 layer of belt, 2 sleeves and the back. Now we are going to draw the dart on the Katori piece and the back part. Back dart stitch is over already. Now we are going to join the back waist strip. With the joining of the strip, the direction of the dart will be on the side seam, this way. Now place the back waist strip from the right side of the back part, this way, and stitch, keep little extra on the side seam. Place this way and we are going to stitch it. Now join the back waist strip on the back part, this way. Fold the other side edges of the strip and stitch. Now press the seam properly and now turn the strip on the wrong side and finish with the hem. Now stitch the 2 darts of the Katori part. For the one Katori already we have stitched the 2 darts. Now for the other Katori piece also I finished the stitch of the dart. Now match the 2 armhole parts with the Katori part, this way. Place and match. Now fix with the awl pin to stitch. Now match the neck part, 2 ends of the Katori and the armhole piece, this way, and stitch. One part already I have done. This is the seam line. Double stitch can be done. Now match the waist belt part, this way, with the front part. We have cutted 2 layers of the waist belt. Now turn one piece this way and one will be on the wrong side, this way. The blouse will be in between the 2 layers of the waist belt. Stitching the waist belt part will be seen this way. To finish the stitching of the waist belt at the bottom on the waist to this open part, roll first front part from the shoulder, roll this way till the waistband, this way, and turn around this 1 layer of the waist belt and take it another one from the down one and roll this way, match the edges and fix with the awl pin, this way. And we are going to stitch on this line to complete the waist belt. Both the waist belt I have done already, pinning part I have done. Now take out the front part from the side open of the waist belt, this way. Take out and press the seam properly. Press the seam properly and to fix the hook placket place the two front parts by keeping shoulder on your side. This way you keep, and on your right hand side. Now we are placing the 1.5 inch width of the strip on right hand side and 2 inch width of strip on the left hand side. Fix with the awl pin this way, and the extra on the bottom on the west side, turn that side and fix with the awl pin to stitch. This way stitch the placket with the front part. The wide one placket already I have stitched. While stitching the placket, the front dart direction will be on neck side, up side. Fold the other side edges of the plackets and stitch. Now fold the 2 inch width of the strip placket little beyond this joining and fix with the awl pin. Now stitch from the just joining on the for the 2 inch width strip this way. Now turn the 1.5 inch strip of the placket totally on the wrong side and fix with the awl pin. Now fold the strip at the edges on the west belt side. This way you fold and stitch. Finish with the hemming. Now match the front and back shoulder and fix with the awl pin and stitch. Always go for double stitch. Now match the cross strip this way by matching the shape from the wrong side and hold this way and stitch this way. Already I stitched a long strip. Now after joining the shoulder, this is the my front and back neck shape. I am marking few points. Now I am marking few points on the curved area of the neck points so that there we should not stretch the strip, neck strip. After that, on the shoulder point, after marking the front, this curve area, then now stretch the strip nicely on the shoulder so that on the shoulder it will fit properly. After that, on the back neck shape, again in the curve area, no need to stretch the strip. Again in this center part, slightly stretch the strip, and on the curve area again not to stretch. On the placket side, at the starting point, fold the strip little on the wrong side and start stitching the neck strip. Double fold the neck strip this way and match the edges. Now press the seam properly of the neck strip and turn towards wrong side. Turn the strip on the wrong side and fix with the awl pin. Finish the neck strip by fine hemming. Fold the bottom of the sleeve and fix with the awl pin and finish with the hemming, fine hemming. Before joining the sleeve, place the sleeve this way and match the armhole part this way. For front and back, match the armhole part. If it will be shorter on the body, then trim on the side seam side here. Now we are matching the front and back side seam. If it is not equal, then by trimming we can make it equal. Mark and cut. Now fold the sleeve and on the armhole side cut a small notch mark on the both the sleeve this way. Now match this cut with the matching the front to front and back to back armhole shape. Match the shoulder seam and the notch mark and fix with the awl pin, and both the ends of the side seam of the sleeve and the front and back part match properly and fix with the awl pin. Now hold at the center on the shoulder part and the side seam and match the center of the armhole piece this way and fix with the awl pin, so it will be easier to stitch. On the other side also the same way, hold the center and the side, match the armhole shape this way and fix with the awl pin. Now start stitching from the shoulder point towards the side seam. Now measure the for side seam on the back side of the sleeve. On the bottom, mark half of the sleeve bottom. Place the back part, fold this way and place, and mark on the waist side. Measure 1/4 of the waist on the waistline of the back part and mark the point here. And on the bust line, now mark for hook and eye on the hemming strip, 1.5 inch strip, mark at the center of the strip, mark for hook, and opposite side of the strip, mark on the seam line, mark for eye.